Want to code faster and smarter in 2025? These modern shortcut tricks will save you hours every week. Let's go! Shortcut 1. Multi-cursor editing. Use Alt+click in VS Code to write or edit multiple lines at once. Perfect for variable names or HTML tags. Shortcut 2. Auto-format your code. With Shift+Alt+F, you can clean messy code in seconds in most editors. Shortcut 3. Smart Git Integration. Use Ctrl+ to open terminal quickly and manage your Git commands right from your editor. Shortcut 4. Use code snippets. Trigger a full function or HTML structure by typing short keywords like fn+tab or div+tab. Shortcut 5. Live Preview inside editor. Extensions like Live Server let you test your code in real time without switching windows. Shortcut 6. Search smarter. Use Ctrl+Shift+F to find anything across all your project files instantly. Shortcut 7. Powerful debugging. Place breakpoints with F9, then step through your code with F5 to solve bugs faster. The best coders barely touch the mouse. Keyboard shortcuts equals flow plus speed. Want more time-saving tricks and dev tools? Subscribe to Rapid Tech Bytes and level up your coding game in 2025.